Hi everyone, my name is Anake Boy. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm here to talk to you today about a side hustle, the Amazon Influencer Program, where I am also a part. In the Amazon Influencer Program is where you earn commission of sales that person make on the platform. You also have the Amazon Affiliate. This is where you would promote your link to your social media or your followers, and whenever a person make a purchase, you will also make a commission through your link. This is the Amazon Affiliate, right? And Amazon Influencer is an extension of the Amazon Affiliate. The Amazon Influencer now is where you get a storefront like a website. This is where you can upload your photo, your videos, and also make curations of like bathroom, essential home, essential fashion, essential, etc. Right? You also get a personal link where you can link it into your social media bio. So for the Amazon Influencer Program, this is where whenever a person go on the platform and they view your video will be located on the product page. Whenever a person watch this video and make a purchase right after watching the video, within 24 hours you make a commission of that sale. To get accepted in this program, first you have to have a social media present for the Amazon Influencer Program. For the affiliate, you don't need a social media present to do this. You can start with the affiliate and then create a social media present and start doing your thing. With the two program, you also have to make 3 sales within 180 days to be accepted in each one of the program. The influencer program, it's not really about your following, guys. It's more about your engagement. So you can have like 100 and add, some person have 60, 70 and still get accepted. The best platform so far to get accepted is the TikTok. They accept 4 platforms: TikTok, YouTube, Instagram and Facebook. I get accepted with my TikTok. Right, once you get past the first section, there's a next section for you to unlock on-site commission. This is the sweet spot, guys. This is the side hustle that you don't have to do a lot of work, but you make money, right? As I can see, this morning I wake up to $2.76 into my storefront. So this is on Amazon. With this program, the potential for you to make passive income. This will be happening for you over a lifetime without you have to do nothing. But to what I was saying, in the second section, after you get accepted with your social media present, you upload 3 videos. Once you upload 3 videos, you would unlock on-site commission in this video, guys. Ensure that the tag and the information is not on the product. It's simple and it's easy. For example, for this, right, this is also a product. Once it's sell on Amazon, you can do a product review video of it. And I know a lot of us have a lot of product sitting around the house that we can use. So first you need to tell them about the product. I love the light. I love the fact that I can do unfree video recording my video and stuff like that. Most of all, I love that I can, anywhere I go, I can move up and down comfortable, and I don't have to worry about my hand in my phone holding it up or down, right? Something like that. It's just an example, guys. So that is the way how you do like the product review video. If you're interested, I will go more in depth. So guys, you can start this side hustle and you can make plenty of money. You can make more money than me. You can make it depends on how much time you are going to invest in this. So guys, see you in the next video. Love you. Peace out.